Alright guys, I went to my Walmart as well. Hope you saw my roaring engine unboxing before this. I found the brand new Speed Jam Monster Ice. This is the 2026 new truck. Here's Mix 46. It's out. Check your local Walmarts and Walmart's, Targets. I don't know, they have the old cases, but check your local Walmarts and neighborhood markets, because since mine's a market, so I don't care about Dragon, Toro Loco, and JCB. I do not care, so I'm not getting those. Earthshaker Childlike, Megalodon Pixel Punk, Gravedigger Red Primer, which I need, Classroom Crusher Speed Shred, Megalodon Toon Shaded, Thunder Royce, I forgot that one, the category. Yeah, pretty cool little concept. We have got a new tire casting as well. Further ado, let's go ahead and open this. I want to save the cards so I can cross out the ones that I need. Ooh, okay. Cool little concept car. I love how the tires say Monster Jam BKT, and then there's a Monster Jam logo in the rim. Very nice. It has a dark blue roll cage, number 46. Monster Jam has the X's on the lights. New tire casting. Are these hard plastics or tires? These tires feel so different. They feel extremely hard. I think they're plastic, these tires. There's 46 guys, Monster Jam logo, and then the motor on top, or engine, where that is. Taillight printing, motor insert. So I don't know if the tires are, oh, they're rubber. Okay, well, I don't know. They feel like hard plastic to me. Great chassis. Pretty cool little casting. I guess so. That's all I got today. Like, subscribe, comment, share if you can, guys. More unboxings coming soon. I think I'm the first to unbox Mix 46 on the channel. I think. Alright guys, peace out.